got a base meet, got the IS going, got the homie in the GTR, and then homie Tyler in his M240. That thing is crazy, bro. Big turbo GTR. Damn, it's a sick GT3. I heard the homie revving the R8. That comes from that thing, dude. That's literally insane, bro. You got Center's GTR here, you got the homie in the 720 R8. Actually, the guy that owns the R8 actually owns this one too. The homie owns this car too. Actually, race that thing in the IS. That thing is stupid fast. Yeah, there's actually so many cars here right now. Jesus Christ, bro. Literally sounds like a bomb going off. That's a sick G80 on Beatz. Actually, it's M340 actually. That's fire. Oh, what is going on, dude? I must be crazy. Oh my, we made it? Literally, bro. If you look at the color on this G80, it's kind of like pyrite brown on the F80s. This thing's so sick. Look at the tire on it, on all the corners. I like the half cage. Oh, it has a half cage in it? What the? That's sick. Oh, it's got a roll cage in the GTR. You should do that. This Supra. This is sick. Yeah, I actually want one of these so bad. And it's on TEs. This is fire. Sick wheels, bro. Literally on a beadlock weld. This is actually a PQ's car. This thing has a fat turbo under the hood.
It's slow.
You gonna gap it?
Yep.
Did you start gap it? No, actually. That'd be a good race. This cop. Dude, that thing is so sick. Dude, the satin black on the beadlocks all around. You got the GT3, another GTR. Those are fire, dude. Literally crazy how much power that thing makes, bro. I don't want to say how much power it makes. It's kind of keeps it low key, but that thing it's fast. Alright, we're at the last spot. Finally, we just got food at In-N-Out. It was bomb. Homie Nari bought us all food. Now we're about to head out. I know Kai with the GTR wants to go test with my homie Tyler in the 240. Yeah, he wants to test with my homie in the 240, his new setup and everything. So we're gonna see how much faster it is. What's up, buddy? You blinding me? Jesus, dude, that thing is so high, bro. Dude, huh. Uh-oh. He's racing the track dog. Is he going again? What? You gotta be higher as a 50.